Hey guys, I'm here with another video. Today we're going to play some Roblox. I I think the game is good enough so I could play for you guys. So today we're going to play Drilling Simulator. I'm sorry, but I cannot put the game in the description. I might be a little bit bad, but hopefully I will not. I'm so lucky. F then E. F then So guys, here today we're gonna try look for a little moolah. That's what I could call it today. Moolah today. I'm sorry guys, but another mining spot. True mining. What a nice day I'm having today. F. Let me just collect my stuff. Oh, that's why. So, all the things I have right now. Then look around and then run stuff running man. The running man, bro. The running man, bro. The running man. Hey. So that's everything that we can find in this field. We'll just go sell. Yes. Sell all. Hey guys, if you want me to do Minecraft video, I mean, what was it? If you want me to do a, a Fortnite video, just comment down below and leave a like. I'm just looking right now through all the metal detectors. I don't have for any of these backpacks. I could buy this backpack, but I'm gonna first see the drills. Yeah, I could buy the backpack now. More storage? Yeah. So time for me to make the money. Money. It's so funny. Ain't a federal's word. Money. Guys, if you want me to edit like these videos and stuff like that, ha ha ha, you're such a funny person. Nope. Because actually in real life, I can't even edit. And I was gonna pay one of my friends to edit for me. Again, that almost happened wrong. He doesn't even know how to edit. And let me just go get sell my backpack. mm, 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 mm. Knew it. Underscore so yes. Do that. Just do the running man. Male do the running man. A. Oh boy, I'm getting all the moolah to myself. Ooh. Guys, right now I'm just doing sarcasm. It's getting boring. This game is actually boring. If I was any of you guys, I would not play it. I got 3 of my best friends. Sit back and feel up my legs and relax. Nope, gotta go rescue mines before someone comes and steals them. I'm a mine collection. See? There's a rare one over here. And I almost left it. What? Let me smell tea. Who knows that girl? I saw her on Instagram. Also, go follow me on Instagram at Fefi. Don't be a stalker of my friends. Let me go sell my backpack. It's full of rare stuff. And also like non-rare stuff. Ooh, let's run. I'm gonna gonna spill the tea on you guys. Is that for me? Oh, thank you. Mm. I'm gonna spill the tea on your face because I do not care. Now, when you go to school and you think this one girl that's always like, I don't care about you. You're supposed to die. Not that always one girl that always does that. Yeah, she was me in school. There's like not always in every school, but it's mostly in the my school, MAS Cairo. And I hope you don't go there. If you go there, you're gonna die. That school is stupid. MAS Cairo, if you're watching me, please do not. You don't know me. Except if you look at the name of the channel, what I'm gonna change. Hey guys, now tell all your friends to go subscribe to Fresh Games. Or Fresh Gaming. We're still gonna choose me and my friend one of those. And you're gonna say, yeah, sometimes, uh, like you don't normally don't play good and you play good. How? Like, me and my friend share this account. So, no, 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 no. Or just slowly like normal. You, you're mean, bro. I mean, you're racist. He's racist, man. That's racist. Let a black person go in, but you can let a white person go in. It's just racist. Racist. I can't even see the white. Racist in the house, people. Over there. The person that's working on the door, he's racist. We don't like racist people over here. We hate racism. You're racist. Please leave. We do not like racist people. Sorry guys if you're thinking that I'm also annoyed. I'm not. I'm definitely not. The tag carries next one is for 2.4K. Wow. I do not care. I do not care. Every time my driver tells me something, I'm like, I do not care. Wow, 1 million? 1 million, bro? Right now, if I had a webcam right now, I'll show you I'm leaving outside right now. I left! Just kidding, bro. But I don't have that enough money to make 1 million. Please start mining here. Are you gonna be racist too, like your brother over there? Mm-hmm. You do not like racist people. Nope. I do not like racist people. Racist people are the worst. That's what you are. You're racist. Hey yo, bro. I'm just right here. Sorry, bro. I don't talk to racist people. Ooh, bro. Bro, I don't talk to racist